everybody. This is Michael Levitas, DSC Sport. Got to tell you something, I am extremely excited today. I'm out driving my GT3 RS. I got to tell you, amazing car. Most incredible car that you can ever drive, with one big drawback, the ride. The ride is absolutely terrible. I was floored. I had to drive the car 200 miles and I could swear I was in a cup car. The car felt like it had 1,300 and 1,400 pound springs while it was heaving over the concrete. I just can't tolerate it. I put on our DSC controller. I never thought that I would be here telling you this, but I've got to tell you, I am so excited. I'm ranting and raving about the ride. Now the ride quality of my GT3 RS is fantastic. It is improved. I can't even tell you. If before ride quality 1 out of 10 it was a 1, now it's a 9.5. The car is amazing. I want to drive it everywhere. Anytime I request more out of the chassis, it's alive underneath me. I've still got the qualities of the GT3 RS and then some. It'll still do a 1 to 2 seconds a lap better than the factory car, but now I've got this amazing ride. So the thing I've got to brag to you about is the ride quality of the DSC Sport GT3 RS. The other really great thing that I've done, and this is a TPC product, this is my own car, bear in mind, and the two things I did was I changed the seat back position, and now this has the TPC 3-degree brackets. It moves the seat back 3 degrees, takes all the pressure off of your lower spine and really puts it across from your hip to your thigh and gives it the proper pressure. It makes for an amazing ride. Now you can effortlessly sit in the car for 2 hours at a time, no problem. The whole day wouldn't even be an issue. Before it was miserable. So that's another great, amazing product from TPC Racing, our 3-degree brackets. Thanks for tuning in. Got to tell you, I can't be any more excited about driving my GT3 RS now that I've got this amazing ride. See you, everybody.